Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So Luna classic, right? So we had Bitcoin, we had a drop down, falling wedge, right? But never broke above to go back up. So pretty much everything is now destroyed. We had the prices that even came down to the second wave of an Elliott wave theory. So we never really made it to the fifth wave ever, which is quite disappointing at the moment. Now, they didn't give you all the thing. If I go back in the daily and I show you how the daily really looks like, you're pretty much right now in a very, very bad condition. So let's look at it this way. We do have a break from there to there, and you've come down, and you've actually even you actually went below an important area, which was meant to be this one. So you're looking at this being your resistance right there. You went to the downside, you break above it, and you probably just came down even for the dirty retest at the moment. But the thing is that you can see that this one closed right below that line. We didn't, if you look at it, going below that line is not good. Okay, number one. Number two, I've talked about Bitcoin in other videos, but Bitcoin also is kind of having this very big bearish divergence. So October, November, and December have been good. So if January becomes a little bit bad, I don't think it's a big deal, because when this thing was pumping, I already had some calls back in the days. Like, we did managed to enter at 11,000. We actually managed to take some of the trades even until 19,000. So it was good for us when this was happening back here in December and November. We actually had a good trading opportunities, and we got a good profit out of it as well. But right now, if things want to rest, let it rest, right? You've actually been dropping quite down. There are chances where you can actually just keep moving sideways like this and come up to 12,000, get rejected at 12,000, and probably if you're looking to fall further, then we may be looking at 67,000 at the moment. I'm not touching anything, because those are some few claims. Number two is that you have lost the bullish cross, right? So all you're looking for is maybe a push back up to 13,000 and test the EMAs. And if you get rejected at the EMAs, you're going to have a bear cross here, and that's where we might see some prices falling. And I don't even know how far you're looking to even fall further down. Now, happy days to the people who are looking for dollar cost average, because I think if you start to drop down to 72,000, that might offer you another good entry opportunity once again, something like that. And that's it for this very quick update on Luna Classic. I'm going to see you the next one. Hello, office.